So in this video, what we'll do, we'll try to understand how actually function call works, okay, in more detail. Okay, so let me just create a new function, a new file. Let's create something. Let's include a string. The basic part what we need to write using namespace, namespace, city, int main. Okay, let's save it to, let's say, function calling. Okay, function calling working. Function call calls working. Okay, you can give any name. That's your wish, right? So okay, come here. Let's create a function. Okay, let's first create a function. Let's say I'm creating a and giving a value of 10. Okay, I gave value 10. I came here and I printed a. Okay, afterwards I created a function that is basically your a that is taking this a. Okay, or rather, if you are feeling confused, so let's take it n. So n. Okay, so here I came here and I see it's gonna be void because it's not returning anything. So void a, it's taking a number n, right? Right. I came here. I instead of printing anything, I first called b. Okay, b by the value n minus 1. Okay, n minus 1. Great. After that I came in, I just printed c out. Like, let's say I printed n, I printed 1. Okay, let's go and create b. So b is also gonna be void. It's gonna be fun. Okay, we understand how actually function calling works. So again, I told you this n minus 1, this is a new concept. Okay, this is a new function again, n minus n. Okay, so again it's receiving n. So let me call, and I'm just gonna print, let's say, n. Okay, and c out and minus 1. Anything you can just, let's just take 20. Okay, and right now after this, let's call a, and it should call like this in the main. It's gonna be called like straight a, and here's the out 3. Understood? And just let me make it to one page. Okay, who can tell me what and how the numbers will be printed? What will be printed? Let's trace that. Okay, great. Main function is gonna start. We know that it will start from main function. Okay, int, and so see here, there is a main, something called main. Okay, there's something called main. So main has its own and its own n. Okay, so it has its own n whose value is 10. It first printed its value. Okay, let me write the output here. Okay, output, it printed n, so n is 10. Okay, 10 will be printed, and I didn't give any space. Okay, we'll give this space later. Okay, that's fine. After that, I called a, giving the same value 10. Okay, so again a new a has been created where again this n is passed. So here it has own n because you know this n. Okay, whose value is getting to 10. Next I'm like, okay, and so it's actually void b. Okay, I did not give the name, but it's void b. I'm calling to b. Okay, with a reduced value of n. So with 9, great, 9. So here 9 will be passed. Again 9. But for this b, what is the value of n? I'm passing 9, right? It's my wish, so I'm passing 9. Everywhere, everything, everyone has n, but they are all different n's. Okay, I came in and now see this did not, this they will not get printed now. Okay, I went to b. Now b is printing n, so I'll print 9. I'll print 20. Okay, I'll print 9. I'll print 20. After this has been finished, after this is finished, this b. Okay, this b is finished. Just give me a second. It's not working, or what? It should be b. Yeah, okay, it's working. So after this curly braces is finished, that means b finished, right? After b is finished, that means line number 9 is finished now. Okay, till now line number 9 was only executing because the control was here. Control went here. Okay, remember control. From line number 17, the control was shifted to line number 8. From line number 8, I went to line number 9. From line number 9, the control was shifted to line number 3. From 3, it got executed till line number 7. After line number 7, it again came to line number 10. Make sense? So at line number 10, I'm printing n. Who's n? A is n. So what is the value of A is n? 10. So print 10. Making sense? Great. Print n, print 1. Print 1. Okay. Now this is also finished. This A is finished. Okay. Now see, the control was at line number 17 in the main part. After that, I came and I'm like, okay, see, since everything's been done and since you have done your work, this A, I'm telling this A, you come and allow me to print my value, that is 3. So this should be the final output. Everything got clear? Like, you understood how the function calling is getting working, how it's working? Okay. So first, who got destroyed? Actually what happens is, in reality, you have a stack, okay? First you called main, right? Because main is the starting value. Main called whom? Main called function A on line number 17. Concentrate on line number 17. Main called A, okay? A was created, okay? A was created here. And A has own value, okay? This n equal to 10, everything is stored here, okay? And even for main, everything is stored here, okay? Now comes here, at line number 9, I called B, function B. So again, B will be made here, okay? B will be made here, and with all its values, like, and right now I have only one value, that's n, okay? It will be made with all its variables and all. And as soon as B, is B calling anyone else? No. So as soon as B gets finished, this will also get finished from the stack, okay? After this is finished, A is left behind. Now A is there, so A will also finish itself. After A is also finished, it's now main's part. Main will do its part, and also it will get finished, and the stack will become empty. Making sense how the function calling is working? How we retrace it? I'll make it again. I just want you guys to be really clear with this, because this is very important. How the retracing actually works. Okay, let's do it again, or rather, let's first run it and then again do it based on our output. Okay, so obviously we're gonna get this output only, no, because we have retraced it properly. If in case we have retraced this properly, okay, sorry, and I forgot to B again. B should be here. As I told you, if we have traced it properly, we'll get this answer 10, 9, 20, 10, 1, 3. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we're getting. And sorry, I'm extremely sorry, I didn't give any space, so they will be combined into each other and it will make you confused. So let me just give some spaces also, so that you guys don't get confused. Here some spaces should be there, and let me erase this part here. It's making some trouble. Erase the eraser. So you guys don't get confused. Let me just erase this part. Let me just keep the output. I'll erase this part again. Let's just keep the output again with us. Okay, great. And now let's give some spaces. I told you, let's give some spaces here. Some space. Okay, let's copy the space part. Control C, Control V, Control Z. Should be pasted here, right? Okay. Here also should be pasted. Control V, and again what else? Here also. Control V, Control Z. It should be here. It should be here. Okay. So we're gonna get this output. Let's see. We are getting 10, 9, 20, 10, 1, 3. Okay, and here also actually it's 1, 3. Okay. Actually, no, I did not give space even here. It should be here. Okay. Let's again. So can you check the output? 10, 9, 20, 10, 1, 3. How did we get this? Let's again retrace it. For you guys to be really clear. Okay, I'm just retracing it again. Main was called, main, and was created. After I printed n, so 10 got printed. After that I called function A. Control went from here to line number 8. Okay, and then without doing anything again I called a function B. So function from line number 9, now it went to line number 3. Okay, remember till now I have to come it back. Okay, I have to come it back. That's been done inside your stack. You don't have to understand at this point of time how it's been done, but remember I have called it line number 9. So obviously it will bring the value, and again the something will start from here only, the execution, right? So it came to line number this 3. Here it is like, okay, let me print myself first. So what is the value of n here? It is reduced by 1, right? So 9 got printed. Again print 20. Okay, 20 got printed. After that, since this part is finished, so B is finished, so again line came to line number 10. So print n. This time what is n? N is the n of A. N is equal to 10, so 10 will be printed. After that 1 will be printed. Okay, now even this A is finished. Line number 17, it went to line number 17. Line number 17 says that see function a is also finished, you can execute after that. Okay, so after that means line number 18. So line number 18 says that hey, print line 3. So print 3 and your program is done. Does this make sense? Please go through this. Okay, please go through this because this is important to understand how this works, the how functions are calling each other. Okay, we'll be using we'll be using this function every now and then. Okay, so don't worry about it. In case some doubts are there, just ask me. It's just fine. Okay, so we'll continue from other things on the next video. Okay, so see you guys there. Thank you.